guys, welcome back to another video. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing yet, but yeah, so let's get right into the video.
Bro, when you go in the air, hit the button there.
We can't get it.
Be careful.
That was good air. Oh! Oh!
Perfect!
Oh! 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 Oh!
You have to get some.
Whoops.
Hit a bike. Move your bike. Yeah, move your bike.
Oh!
You need to get a bumper.
Woo!
No, it's not. I just watched you do it.
Hey! Hey! Oh! Yeah, you guys should drag race.
No, it's my body.
Hey, when you guys drag race, go to that circle thing in the road.
Yeah, there's a line over there. Let's go back.
Box right there.
The line to the mailbox.
Who's that?
Go when you go.
Put it on there.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I smoked you.
Jacob, you won that for sure.
I let off, I think.
Oh, really?
That's what they all say.
No, I think I did actually.
Keep it going. What are you doing?
Get ready to do it again.
Nothing.
Yo, it landed! Alright, don't stop. Hold on. So we're gonna tilt you up a little bit. Oh!
Are you videoing right now?
Yeah? Round two?
Let's do it.
Alright, throw it up. Back towards your house though. Oh!
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to Chicago, so look out for the Chicago vlogs. And so yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't like this video, please keep it to yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next video.